In this video, we'll look into basic mutation where we'll grow our material to a specified target resolution or use real-world measurements. So our test sample is currently not tileable as we have seam lines along the borders. Our example is also set up as a 1K map. So let's put this into a mutation node with the default settings. So by default, the output resolution is 2K. We'll just execute the node. Now, what the mutation node is doing is copying and pasting the sample enough times to fill the target resolution of 2K. So this is a little bit different than the standard resize function. What we're doing here is taking a 1K image and then filling a 2K space, like so. If we look at the result, you'll also notice that there's a seam removal built into the process. So now we have a tileable version of our original image at 2K. If we zoom back a little bit, it's quite apparent that we have the same sample pasted 4 times to fill the space, as noted by the repetition of leaves. We'll be working with the parameters in detail in another video to address this. Along with the target pixel size, we can also mutate to a specified output dimension based off of real-world measurements. We can find this in the world scale dropdown. To use this, we have an input and output dimension. If you know the real-world size of your initial image, you can input values here. I know that this was taken at around 100 centimeters, and I want to output a 200 centimeter version at 4K. Now keep in mind that both world scale and resolution are working together to bring the desired output. If you're not sure what size your image is in real-world measurements, we can use the tape measure tool as a scale of reference. So we'll use one of these leaves as reference. They're roughly about 6 centimeters, so I'll just put that into my tape length. And in the 2D window, I'll drag the tape measure over the length of the leaf. We'll also change the output to 250 centimeters and execute. This is a great way for maintaining texel density in your target app. In this case, we've created a density of 2.5 meters per 4K map.